be damned if I'm gonna give up my big blue bed. But then I see that diesel truck. It's my diesel driver and he's back on the road. He's been driving all night, but he made it home to hold me tight. Then it's gas station coffee and a million miles. Now he's hauling hay from California to LA, and I miss him, but I'll be okay. I just